Now we can look at an enterprise information system in a different way also, regarding the subsystems and the components with maybe functional groups or kind of building blocks, modules, or how the software developer call it. So first we have the information system. This stands on top because this is the important part for our company. The information system, which might consist of a non-computer supported part, maybe with paper-based forms. It's not important. That's not so much important for us. But anyway, it might be happening in a company. And then there are subsystems on a lower layer, subsystems caring about some different departments, maybe subsystems specialized on certain functions. And within a subsystem, there might be components as well. Components focusing on one very special part of these subsystems, focusing with a set of functions, for example. And to make it more concrete, let's have a look at an arbitrary production company. There might be this information system, the enterprise information system of a certain production company, and this production company for sure has some employees. That's why the production company needs an HR system, a human resources system, where you can manage the human resources, manage the employees. Then there's a customer relationship management. That means that, of course, you want to target some customers. You want to maintain your relation with the customer. And the customer then finally signs a contract, buys a product, or however you call it in your business processes. And then the signed contract leads to a purchase order for the company, and then the purchase order is processed in the manufacturing execution system. If you produce a certain product, then you might assign it to a certain set of machines or to certain employees producing this product. And now here you see that the manufacturing execution system might rely on different components. Maybe it's not one whole system. It might be that different systems contribute to the manufacturing execution system, or some satellite systems are connected to the core MES. Then let's say you have a specialized system which targets the machine management with a couple of very technical data, maybe runtime, overall equipment efficiency, and things like that for the machines. Then you might call it machine management component. And then this component consists of a certain set of functions. And maybe the production planning is another component, having certain functions which are, as the name tells, focused on the planning aspects of your production. So putting a purchase order in leads then to a plan which should be executed during runtime of the factory. So this is basically a concrete example where you also have this different parts, different subsystems within a information system, and different components maybe also within a subsystem.